The manufacturing world is evolving very fast. And if there is one place where India's industrial innovation meets opportunity, it's MTech Expo 2025. From machine tools to automation, robotics to digital manufacturing, this is a place where ideas turn into business connections. Be part of India's one of the largest industrial technology exhibitions happening from 20th to 23rd November 2025 at PIECC Pune. Showcase your solutions, meet decision makers, and discover what's shaping the future of Indian manufacturing industry. Don't miss the chance to exhibit at MTech Expo 2025 because innovation deserves a bigger stage. So now please visit at mtechexpo.in to book your space.